Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to fix slow charging issue on your OPPO A6x 4G smartphone. So unfortunately for this particular model, we cannot fully fix this problem as the phone only supports slow charging with 15 watts 15 watt adapter. So the best you can do is use the original charger, the charging brick from OPPO with 50 provides this phone with 15 watts. You can use 45 watts OPPO adapter, but it will not increase the charging speed as the only version of this smartphone that supports fast charging is the 5G version. Therefore, you will not be able to maintain the same charging speed as the 5G version will. So the best you can do is just ensure that you are using the original OPPO accessories like charging cable and charging brick. And also, if you need some urgency, go to settings on your device, go to battery settings, go to battery health, and temporarily disable smart charging, because this feature will slow down your charging speed and will also limit your battery capacity to 80%. So this is basically the best you can do. However, even with these settings enabled and with using the original charging accessories, you will still only reach 0 to 100% in about 2 hours and 40 minutes of charging. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.